Good morning, everyone. In today's session, I'm going to explain about multiple options present on generate bill form. For this, we have to go to quick menu. In quick menu, click on generate bill. Here we can see this is building and wing. Those two are filters. And in bill for we select the bill for which we want to we will select the month for which we want to generate the bill. In bill date, we will enter the bill date, and in due date, we will enter due date. First, we see these filters. This is building filter. If you in your society there are two buildings, in this case, if you want to generate the bill for only particular building, you can select this filter of building. And this is wings. Wing filter you can use when if you want to generate the bill for only a particular wing. In this scenario, you can use this wing filter. But if you want to generate the bill for all the members, in this case, you don't need to select the building and wing. Directly, you can go to the bill for, in bill for, select the bill month on which you want to generate the bill, like January. In bill date, due date, fill your bill date and due date. And there here you can see user input bill period. Whatever the bill period you enter here, this bill period will show on the bill. Now click on OK. As here we can see, as in parameter, the manual interest calculation is tick. So in this bill, interest will not get applied. Here we can see, as in parameter, this allow manual interest calculation checkbox is tick. So in this case, interest will not get applied to any bill. If you want to explore the bills, if you want to check the bills, those are correct or not, you can go to this move next or move forward, this arrow, or first record or last record, this arrow. So you can verify the bill in preview before generating the bill. For generating the bill, click on save and generate. So bill will get generated. But after previewing this bill, if you don't want to generate the bill, click on cancel, do not generate. Now again, we'll go to generate bill. Here we can see this yellow color, the text which is highlighted in yellow color, which says you have set your interest calculation manual. So system will not calculate. So if by mistake you tick on those option in parameter, allow manual interest calculation, but you want to generate the bill with the system generated interest. In this case, here you can see on the same form, there is a parameter option. From the same generated bill form, you can go to parameter, click on this option, parameter. You can make the changes accordingly and save the form. As soon as I untick this option, allow manual interest calculation, this highlighted text will go on and the system will calculate the interest automatically. Now save the form. Now here we can see, now system will calculate the interest with type, delay month and rate 21% rate. We'll check it. Now here we can see system calculated interest showing here. Previously, as we tick on this option, allow manual interest calculation, here zero interest showing. Now as we untick this option, so system calculating the interest. Now we'll see another option from generate bill. First we have seen this parameter. From same form, we can go to parameter form. The second option is unit tariff. If you want to see the tariff applied, on which month which tariff applied, you can go to this unit tariff. Here we can see, we'll go to master society tariff definition, browse it. Here we can see on two dates we have changed the tariff. The first one is 010425 and second is 01011. 01 नवंबर को एक टैरिफ लगा था और एक अप्रैल को लगा था. So if you want to check the tariff, क्या कौन सा टैरिफ लगा है कितना लगा है, so we can go to this unit tariff. Here I enter the date 010425. If you want to see all the tariff, then click on OK. Here you can see all the heads which come under, means on the head on which we have applied tariff. Those heads are showing here. The total is 71800. This is what the tariff apply on April month. Now we close the form. On the same form, you can export this into the Excel. Close it. Now I am going. Second tariff we applied on November. Now enter the date. Click on OK. So this will show the tariff master of November month, the tariff which we apply on November month. If you want to see only particular tariff, then enter the tariff name, like maintenance charge. If you want to view only the maintenance charge for all the members on this effective date, then select only the particular tariff name, then click on OK. Here you can see the head which we selected, only those head tariffs showing here for all the members. Now if you want to see the tariff for particular member, in this case, if you want to see all the tariffs, then select this blank. Select unit number for which you want to see the tariff. Now click on OK. Here you can see, in this case, you can see only tariff for particular member. This is all about this tab unit tariff. Now second is advance tariff. Select the month. If you apply the tariff using advance member method, in this case you want to view that tariff, then you can select the month and then click on advance tariff. So in this society, advance member tariff is not applied, so here blank is showing. But in your scenario, if there is a advance member tariff apply, when you click on this option, then this advance member tariff will show here. You can change it accordingly from the same form. The next option is change tariff. As you are in generate bill option, and from the same form, if you want to change change the tariff, then click on change tariff option. So this update tariff form will get open. This form is same as we open from utility, update tariff regular bill unit wise. This is same form as this from utility. But if you want to open this from the generate bill option, here is the option, click on change tariff. Then this form will get open. You can enter the effective date here. Then go to user input, parameter, fill last tariff value, yes. In this form, you can make the changes accordingly and click on save. The now next option is return check. Here you can see for A102, for this A102 flat number, in this receipt, I cancel the check on 28 December 25. As this check get cancelled, but as check get cancelled, if you want to apply the check return charges in January month bill, so in this scenario, here you can see, go to generate bill. Now click on return check. Here you can see that record is showing for unit number A102, check get written. So if you want to apply the check return charges for that member, now here enter the amount which you want to add in bill, like 100 rupees you want to add as the check return charges. After that, select the bill for January month. In this case, as for this A102, for only A102 check return charges will get applied, and for other member there is no check return charges. Here now we'll generate the bill. Click on OK. Enter the amount here. Select the period. Click on OK. Here you can see for only A102 check return charges get applied, that we just enter that amount which is 100 rupees, and for other members there is no check return charges because only for particular member check get returned. So only that members, for only that members bill check return charges get applied. Now we'll see next option, verify adjustment. This option is used to check if there any JV or receipt which is unsettled. If any receipt or JV is unsettled in this scenario, when we click on this option, verify adjustment, then it will show that receipt or JV's reference. So you can go that JV if there is no reference there, so you can change it accordingly. Now we'll see next option, generate supplementary bill. If you want to generate the supplementary bill in from the same form generate bill, you can go to generate supplementary bill, click on this option, then select the bill date. Select due date. Select the type accordingly and click on OK. So here we can see by clicking on save and generate bill, supplementary bill will get generated. Now so we have seen for generating the supplementary bill, we have to go to generate bill option. In generate bill, we have to click on generate supplementary bill. Then supplementary will get generated. Then next option is cycle. Click on cycle. Here we can see all the month name are showing here. As we go to generate bill and enter there the bill date and due date. So you can enter the due date master here. So here you can see in January month, here 15/1/20, this date is here. If I change this to 20, so when we generate the bill for the January month, the automatically this bill date and due date will come. Click on update. Now I will go to generate bill. Now select the bill for January. Here we can see the due date which we have just updated. Now this due date is coming here. So if you want to create the master for this bill date and due date, you can go to cycle and enter your date, which is your fixed due date. You can enter here. So you don't need to manually change that bill date or due date from this generate bill form. Now next option is tariff by replica. As we have seen, there are two tariffs which we applied, which is first in April month and second one is in November month. November, December month bill get generated, but after that we want to generate bill same as April month bill. So in this scenario, you can use tariff by replica. Go to generate bill, click on tariff by replica. If you want to generate January month bill same as April month bill, so here you can select bill for January. Then select the year 25, replica of, select the month, जिस भी डेट का रिप्लिका चाहिए वो मंथ सिलेक्ट करना है यहाँ पे, रिप्लिका ऑफ अप्रैल मंथ. नाउ क्लिक ऑन ओके. So when bill get generated for January month, which is same as bill generated on April month, this will ask for, do you want to generate the bill as replica of April month? Click on yes. So here we can see same tariff is applied as we have selected the replica of April month. Then click on save and generate bill. So this will get generated as a replica of April month that we have selected. This is all about today's session. Thank you everyone for joining this session.